Life in this world without women is not possible. Strong women don't have attitudes, they have standards. Good evening everyone. Everyone already know me, then also I would like to introduce you, myself Rudra. Today I am going to speak about women. Yes, it's about women. The presence of women in everyone's life is very important. Life in this world without women is not possible. Every girl who is born receives special feelings, care, affection and endless love. I have seen many times that women are only the one who have to sacrifice their feelings and give up their dreams for the other people related to them. But this is just the power of God. One of the best women I know is my mom. She has sacrificed a lot for me and for my brother and sister. She has fought for my happiness and I have seen her always smiling. My mother is the strongest woman I know in my life. We should respect each one of them, not because of their gender, but because of their own identity. Now you can see women reaching at great height and even traveling to space. They are entering into all fields and making success everywhere they go. Women are special no matter where she works, at home or in office. We also celebrate a day for women known as International Women's Day. After women gained suffrage in Soviet Russia in 1917, national holiday was declared in March 8. After that day, Women's Day is celebrated by many countries. Human rights are women rights and women rights are human rights. I know many of them who have made the nation proud by their success. Some of them are Mithali Raj, Lady Tendulkar of Indian women cricket; Arunima Sinha, the Mount Everest girl; Kalpana Chawla, Indian-born American astronaut; Garima Arora, Michelin star. Women are the backbone of families and communities. Their kind heart behavior makes them special. Women have also gained achievement for right to vote in 1920, for right to serve alongside men in the military in 1948, and right to equal pay in 1963. Women have always gathered to be creative in many things, like in cooking, in harvesting, in planning, in building, in laughing and healing also. Women are more successful because they are more willing to take risks than men. Strong women don't have attitudes, they have standards. Thank you.